Welcome to Concepts, Chapter 10 Time and Work, Part B Two Bodies in Relative Motion. Introduction. Two bodies in relative motion hi ipiham ama sa pen na beute. For example, there are two persons. One is at Churachandpur, one is at Imphal. Amate ni kimutugohon. Katpai Churachandpur ako na hong, katpai Imphal ako na hong. Alam mo katay kimutuhon di siya na. For example, amahi 8 a.m. ahong kipando. Exactly, amazang hi 8 a.m. ahong kipando ngay. It's hi two bodies in relative motion na condition katicha. Both has to start simultaneously. Ahil ilaya a formula de which ita bang problem mahi time and distance so si acho it will be speed into time. Ahil ilaya hi two bodies in motion. For example, Churachandpur ako na kipando pacho a speed hi 40 km/h hetiute. Ahil Imphal ako na hong pahi a speed hi let's say 60 km/h. Ahil amatin ye ka distance to Churachandpur apat Imphal so 60 km. Ahil tu ahi distance speed ni lang ipiti za de hum khat explain hin bol nge time and distance hi je achu distance equal to speed into time. Two bodies in motion hi phalachan speed helai we will simply use relative speed. Ale to ahi a meaning explain hin bol nge che distance, relative speed and time. Amma sa pena distance ti ai it is the initial distance between them. Abana cho time, this is very important. Time kiti hi le time taken by the two persons to meet na. Ahile to ai relative speed ga sa ute. Relative speed chu amate ni opposite direction ahung hon ahi ahile chen a speed hon gang chom di cho na. Agan chom ji ahi a speed ten hi plus ke bol. Opposite direction ahung hon ji ahi a speed ten hi plus ke bol hilovin. Opposite direction ahung hon le agan jo hon ji ahi a speed ten hi plus ke bol. So in this case, formula applicable diudan to distance equal to initial distance of 60 km. Relative speed hi piham tile speed ten hi to opposite direction ahung ahile agan cho mon je acho plus ke bol di. Plus ke bol ahile chen we will get 100 hit na into time. In this case, time cho piham iti ahile kasay bang acho time taken to meet. So time hold out time hold ahile chen it will be 60 divided by 100. So cancel ka bol ahile chen I get 6 by 10 hours. To minute convertible into 60 minute convertible equal to 36 minutes. So today ni hin akimutu ho na dingahi they take 36 minutes. Meaning to pihamitile these two they will meet at 8:36 a.m. So to two bodies in relative motion here. Okay, start. Okay, mini kit khat pai Churachandpur khat pai Imphal kang po pi chi go hon le Churachandpur pahin for example a speed to 80 km/h hetiute. Ahile Imphal ako na ke pando pahi a speed to let's say 30 km/h hetiute. Ahile it's a Churachandpur apahin Imphal ko na kipando pahi kang po pia agaman gagisatuhan kang po pia. So in this case, the formula di uju piham tile distance equal to speed into time. Speed jong relative speed hetiute into time. Laya distance piham kalpak Churachandpur kipando kang po pi jenggal hungai cho Churachandpur pa. Churachandpur pa kang po pi chen chi cho. Imphal pa jong chu Imphal pat kang po pi chen ga chi hi cho na. Ahile distance ipihamiti ahile definition tung zo ya cho it is the initial distance between them na. Amate ni let's say pungyat akipanda hom ne. Exactly the same time akipanda hom kin hane. So distance kiti chu ipihamiti ahile a formula wa distance kiti pa it is the initial distance between them. Churachandpur apat Imphal chen chu it will be 60 km hising. So in this case, relative speed chu pihamiti le amate ni same direction hi ji acha speed hon akimutu na hon ding phat hi tam mai ta cha it requires more number of hours. Meaning to speed to home tina hi zing. So let's say in this case distance to 60 kilometer ta chu relative speed ki ti chu pi hamiti a highlight khat 80 khat 50 hi highlight minus ka ball highlight it will be 50 into time holding, so it will be 6 divided by 5 hours chu zong chu 1 by 5 hours in tin chu zong chu 1 hour plus 1 by 5 hours 1 by 5 hours to minute a convertible yung ale cancel ka bola hele 12 minutes. So amati ni they will meet after 1 hour and 12 minutes. Meaning to they will meet at 9:12 a.m. So same direction a chi pha leuhin speed hi minus ke bol zina. Okay, third case. Start. Okay, third case. Pasal khadi turcham pura ko na ke pando. Golang khade tiude. Lang ai nunga khade tiude. Amate ni ki mutogo hon. Ahile. Amahi pungge da ke pando cho. Let's say pungge da ke pando. Aile infala nunga nu chu let's say 8:20 ahong ke pando. Ahile. Pungge da pat 8:20 chen hi turcham pura ko na hong pasal pai achang si a he is in motion na infala nu chu itiaj thim mai cho si is at rest so ita bang chu 8 apat 8:20 chen chu it's a pai achang si a he is in motion na this is the only person moving so ita bang chu relative motion hello but 8:20 apat a chu khat pa jang exactly 8:20 khat pa he is in motion numainu jang 8:20 a chang ki pan do cho na so the bang problem so case ni how can they 8 apat 8:20 chen so this guy he single motion 8:20 apat so ahile it is in relative motion. So for example in this case pasal parts 8:20 a chen moirang a phai tiute moirang a phai le chen moirang apat a chu imphal chen chu 40 km hi lawang na 40 km hi ala pasal pas speed hi numainu munum balbal ke gang lai cha 20 km per hour lai tiute numainu chu for example lai hat mo 10 km per hour ke gang lai tiute na in ko tia ko nang zam tiute. So in this case iti le ki moto honde na so lai a hi formula apply ding wa le relative speed to like about distance equal to this amateni relative speed to 30 into time. So time will be 4 divided by 3. So it will be 1 hour plus 1 by 3 hours. Cancel the bola hele 20. So amateni pungkat minute som ni zawa ki matudi. So chite ni ti le ki matudi ham ti le 8:20 apara chu 9:20 9:20 8:20 apa chen hin sim la chen 9:40 am a hin akimoto hone the end tiu kana kimoto honin the end. Okay, it's a video ahi two bodies in motion general case oi bolio next video le special case train problems abana chu bots and streams achom cha baine bolio here. Problem type 1. Two bodies in motion, opposite direction ahong hoga beute. Two runners A and B start running at 12 km per hour and 16 km per hour towards each other. They meet after 1 hour and 30 minutes. Kilometer per hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. Unit o ivezute na. How far were they from each other when they started? So in this case, problem in it, he distance equal to relative speed. 16 plus 12 plus 16 is 28 into time. Time is 1 hour plus 30 minutes. So equal to 28 into then cancel ka bole 1 by 2. 2, 3 by 2. Cancel ka bole 14. So the answer is 3 by 2 cancel ka bola this, so 2 1 in hand 42. So they are initially at 42 kilometer. So question in the say chu itihin akichi na dingin explain hin bolang A and B khat pai langa ko na hung kondo 12 km per hour alai khat chu B ako na hung kondo 16 km per hour alai amate ni mung khada ki mutu hondi question nung zo ya chu they meet after 1 hour and 30 minutes na. So time to enjoy say bangwa chu time taken to meet ti wilawang a formula de chu distance equal to relative speed into time ti chu na laya time ki pa chu time taken to meet ti wilawang question chun hilaya time taken to meet chu they meet after 1 hours 30 minutes ati chana. So this will be the number of hours. Question do chu how far were they from each other when they started. Question do chu when they started lie distance is at ham ti chana hi distance pa chu formula dung zuiwa distance pa chu heti hilawang na ichi formula a distance ti pau chu initial distance between them iti pau hi cha. So question in direct a chi a hin do ta cha. So in this case distance chu I hold do diu ai relative speed ang I hold thai chala relative speed chu opposite direction ahung hi pha le khat chu 16 khat chu 12 khat chu 16 plus I bola le 28 pot jing hilawang na. So I formula ding zoi ba chu distance equal to 28 into time ki ti chu say ni jong chu cancel bola le 3 by 2 jing lawang na. So cancel bola le 14 it will be 42 pi bola explain ka in bol ham ti a le chun question in khat dai vile chi a hin do di hin lai cha what is the distance covered by A a hin ti distance covered by A a hin ti a le chan nang in direct a hilaya distance by a hi a formula na ga apply the jing lo cha na chu ji a chu distance a formula is a now ma a meaning ho hi pi ham ti he chat ngai. Question chun distance covered by A hin ti bang cha ipiti bal dio A ading a chu a speed chu is at 12 km per hour cha ale A ading a chu time chala. Question nung ya chu they meet after 1 hour 30 minutes ati a le chun a meaning chu A zong chu he moves for 1 hour 30 minutes B zong chu he moves for 1 hour 30 minutes lawang na. So A ading a time chu he moves for 1 hour 30 minutes. So A adding a distance equal to speed into time. So A adding a speed to 12 time to adding a 3 by 2 cancel bola le 6 equal to 18. So A kiti bahin he covers a distance of 18 km na. So laya isay no mo chu piham te la hilai A bow se adding a distance iti pau to ilaya formula a distance igati pau hi a meaning ki bang talaw cha na. So terms so hi a meaning ipi ham ti he cha ngai. Raj and Prem walk in opposite direction at the rate of 3 km per hour and 2 km per hour respectively. How far will they be from each other after 2 hours? Chizong chu question chun hold in teacher distance equal to relative speed into time cut 3 cut 2 ahile 5 time chu question nung zoya chu after 2 hours I'll answer to simply 10 km jing chana. So this will be the answer. It is on the problem yet him lawa it will be quite complicated na. So question dung zui ya Raj and Prem mun khadam hon tin question ni vet ai lang khadai Raj chi cho lang khadai Raj chi lang khadai Prem chi cho opposite direction am na laya ke ko na ke pando ai le chipa hi Raj to 3 km per hour ai le Prem to 2 km per hour chi hi cho ai le how far will they be after 2 hours? Okay. Raj to he walks for 2 hours. Ele total amahin distance to 6 km cover ball. Chanale. Ale Prem kiti pa jang chun he walks for 2 hours. Ahile 2 km per hour ahile chun he covers 4 km hizing lawa. Distance equal to speed in the time formula jang apply te. 2 into 2 equal to 4 ahile wa ahile logic jang za the. 1 hour 2 km ahile 2 hours as a 4 km ahide het sa. So after 2 hours they will be 6 plus 4 equal to 10 km na. Or iti agel thing chite ni chu relative motion hi ja chu distance equal to relative speed khat pa 2 khat pa 3 ele 5 time kiti chu 2 ele direct 10 iti chu na. Train A and B starts at the same time. Train A travels at this from station X to Y. Train B travels at this from station Y to X. So opposite direction ta na. They cross each other after 1 hour 36 minutes. They cross each other the same thing as they meet after 1 hour and 36 minutes na. So in this case also distance although ding relative speed into time. Had to 55 had to 80 into time. Question so yeah time to 1 hour 36 minutes. So this will be 135 into 3 cancel bowling 6 are cancel bowling 6 10. So this will be 3 divided by 5. So LCM kala le 8 divided by 5 cancel ka ball le 2 7. So this will be 6 5 in hand 12 216. So 216 is the answer. Places A and B are 396 km apart. Train X leaves from A for B and train Y leaves from B for A at the same time. Opposite direction chứ khat X apat Y, khat Y apat X. On the same day on parallel tracks. Both trains meet after this. The speed of Y is 10 km per hour more than that of X. What is the speed of Y? Okay. Distance equal to relative speed into time. Speed khat cha ke dalo pina asai to Y is this more than that of X ati to his so X to X speed to X it out ahile speed of Y is at here ka sai dan to speed ki hata lo cho khat to X ya khat train X ya train Y chi a ki het lo ji chun X ki te bang le Y to question nung zo ya to 10 more than X ati lawang, so it will be simply X plus 10 hising law diang na amate ni to X km per hour X plus 10 km per hour this equation chun hold in teacher it's a hold in teacher na ahile to ahi relative speed into time iti which a formula dang zai wa to relative speed chu to ahi opposite direction a hung hon ahi zai chu khat pa X ahile khat pa to X plus 10 ti wilawang na bracket ang koi da tau na it's X a hi it's Y a hi. So into time ke teacher they meet after 5.5 hours so jong 11 by 2 ti nai cha so today ni cancel thai in tin it will be 36. So langkara ka so la hile I will get 72 equal to twice X plus 10. Langkara ka so la hile 62 equal to twice X. Cancel ka bola hile 31 equal to X. Question do chu speed of Y is a on X plus 10 meaning 31 plus 10 it will be 41. A train leaves station A at 5 a.m. and reaches station B at 9 a.m. on the same day. Another train leaves station B at 7 a.m. and reaches station A at 10:30 a.m. on the same day. The time at which the two trains cross one another is. It's a problem here. Video number 1 azang chen in ball tawin na common theme hi le kilometer ahong zabin so have na solve it. Method to mark and solve this 3 methods hoy chen open. A train leaves station A omen station B my question dong zai achu khat pai 5 a.m. ma ke pando ahile he reaches at 9 a.m. on the same day meaning to it's a train he takes 4 hours lawang na 4 hours ahi ahile chen itin bolute time to 4 hours ahi distance zong to 4 km hete taute inum no bla thei cha kilometer chanum le x nong na gala thei cha calculation wang ne what be raza maintain ahile it's hi first train adi ta cha first train he tiute second train chu question nung zo ya chu starts at 7 a.m. and reaches this place at 10:30 a.m. so it's a second train ading hi second train ading hin distance to 4 km iti huita lawang na iya pat b chan chu distance to 4 km iti huita cha ala ma time is at there time to 7 apat 10:30 to 3.5 hours lawang 3.5 hours ka ti dham ai lawala 7 by 2 hours iti huita ai le tu hin first train adding a speed is at here a speed to distance divided by time 4 divided by 4 it will be 1 kilometer per hour abana to it's here a speed is at here 4 divided by 7 divided by 2 achung langa ka sola ile chen 8 divided by 7 a speed to kilometer per hour hitai ai okay hita bang problem hi there are two parts khati 5 am a ke pan khati 7 am a ke pan in zo problem explain ka bol ta banga chu 5 am a pat 7 am chen hi 5 am a pat 7 am chen hi first train chu achang se a in motion chu na that is the first part 7 am a pat a cha ma ten hi they are in relative motion hi lawang na two parts chu so first part a hi ipi hold out deu hamitile distance hold out te e hin achang si a chu ilaya pat ilai chen distance is not coverable na we bolai hold out deu hamitile relative motion formula applicable part leo chen distance ngai hi law ilaya pat ilai chen distance is not ham formula chung pangji chana i hold out ngai chu ji a chu lai pa i hold out ma sat ngai tin ele ilai pa he e achang si a thei hi chu chi e achang si a thei e a speed to 1 kilometer per hour ele ama hi pung zat thaya le 5 am a pat 7 am chu pung ni thei hi lawang pung ni thaya le chen distance is not coverable di 2 kilometer coverable di so that is biologic formula za te din ti wa hi le e a hi speed to 1 kilometer per hour hi cha e ki ti pa hi he runs for 2 hours lawang we pola 2 hours 5 am a pat 7 am chen chu achanga thei cha so in this case distance is not coverable di e hin speed into time multiply ka bol 2 kilometer coverable jing chana so a hin 7 am chanai 2 kilometer coverable ta cha a hi la total la cha 4 kilometer ti hi lawang ai là 2 kilometer coverable ai là amo chang chang chu 2 kilometer ma mai chana ai là in this case relative motion below relative motion hi ala chen distance equal to speed into time speed to 1 plus speed to 8 by 7 into time so i het lo pi wa time na so 2 equal to 7 into 7 plus 8 15 into time so time ke ti chu langkhara ka sole 14 divided by 15 hours it's a so into minute la convert ball level we will get 4 so this will be 56 minutes 56 minutes kiti chu khat pai 7 am ang gi pan do hin tin after 56 minutes zawa ki mudiu a hiala chun time of meeting to 7:56 is in chuna so this is the answer it's very easy to understand na but process in khat sao dio so it's a problem a chu step ni na tu hin step khada ka bol chai ute step kharai bol chai wal hen problem hi ni khat het ha zep di ba kha de ga beute a and b ai le khat pa hi 5 a ma ke pan do khat pa hi 9 a ma sorry 9 a ma ga thong so he take 4 hours the distance ang to 4 kilometer hetiute ale ama speed to it will be 1 kilometer per hour jing chana ale this is 7 am 7 am ma khat paung ki pando 10:30 am ma galung so it's a padinga distance equal to 4 kilometer ama dinga time to 3.5 hours ale a speed to inzo az izatiuta speed to 8 divided by 7 kilometer ai amate ni hi 5 apat 7 am hita ale ichapa da hi relative motion itiu chana to hi relative motion formula apply bol lo dio ale amate ni laimun an akimutu taute akimutu ete taute akimutu ai le chana my 7 am ahong gi pando ya let's say they meet after t hours na let's say they meet after t hours okay laya i het deu khat chu 7 am ahong gi pan do ai cho khat pai laya ki mutu hon ta a ki mutu hon chu let's say a time chu 7:30 hetiute 7:30 am a ki mutu hon bang le this guy he travels for 30 minutes na second train ong chu he travels for 30 minutes ai le 7 am apa da chu if they khat it's first train ong chu he travels for 30 minutes ti na hizing lawang na they started together at 7 am and they meet at 7:30 meaning this guy he travels for 30 minutes This guy also he travels for 30 minutes hilawang. To aja time ke ta lo ji aja t he ti taute. T hours hi le chun chi pa ding a jong time t hours di chuna a hi le to a total distance equal to distance covered by A plus distance covered by B hizing lo diang. A chu ilai pa daung ki pando it's uncoverable. B chu ilai pa daung ki pando it's uncoverable. Ale distance covered by A hi cheng to distance covered by B cheng to plus ke bole total distance is na. So total distance will be 4 kilometer equal to distance traveled by H is at there. He travels for 2 hours plus T lawang. 2 plus T hours. A adding na into speed chala 1 kilometer per hour lawang plus B chala. B he travels for B adding a distance to speed into time hello diang na. Okay, A adding a chi R sia chi speed hit chita banga chi B adding a speed to 8 by 7 into adding a time to hit daw T daw chala. So in this case 4 equal to 2 plus T plus 8t divided by 7. So chi lang khara solve do leng 2 equal to 7. 7t plus 8t 15t. So 14 equal to 15 into t. In zo ma mai mo chuna 14 by 15 hours imo chu into 60 minute cancelable la hele this will be for 56 minute. In zo to ki bang na. Tua hele step khat using formula chi isip a hele chun answer po ning na. Chu abui base a hele formula kan sibin het him lo wa hele formula he het him go tin het him thei lo wa hele formula he by heart de hizing in tua hi problem dan chu a apat b chan hi khat pai 5 a ma hong ki pando 9 a ma ga thung a hi le time to 4 hours first train to a time to 4 hours setivte ai le b ki ti pa hi 7:30 7 a ma hong ki pando 10:30 a ma ga thung so ama dinga time to he takes 3.5 hours along time to 7.5 hours. Al amati ni chu mun khada ki mutu di chu mun khada ki mutu hon de tin a ki mutu na pha chu e han ta lo pi he ta lo pi t he ta te. So in this case formula di chu it is small t okay big t he te big t na ale la ya he deu kha chu pi ham de le e ki ti pa hi achang se ai he travels for 2 hours along 7 am chan chu achang se a thei chana 7 am ang ki pando ala ma 7 am achang se a tong za thaya achang se a hi 2 hours lei cho achang se a thei na pa hi small t he te ai le t1 ke ti chu total time taken by first train t2 ke ti chu total time taken by second train small t ke ti chu time taken by the time during which the first train moves alone na. So a formula di chu ilaya t khu ipiham mitile laya formula kain same t2 ke ti chu 7 by 2 abana chu t1 minus small t 1 4 minus small t divided by t1 plus t2 4 plus 7 by 2. So achung lang kho 7 divided by 2 into 2 cancel bola 7 hita anui lang chu LCM kala le 8 plus 7 15. So 2 achung langa ka sola le 14 by 15 hours na. So formula ka hin simin ipiti na ham cho jang hi mel chi thau te na. So t2 ke ti chu second train ading a whole journey time t1 ke ti chu first train ading a whole journey a time small t ke ti chu first train moving alone na for how many hours he move alone. So we will get 56 minutes. Ai thei chana bang formula hi a ki depend be se lo de. Problem type 2, same direction. Places A and B are this kilometer apart. Two cars start simultaneously, one from A and the other from B. If they move in the same direction, they meet after 12 hours. But if they move towards each other, they meet after 9 by 8 hours. The speed of the moving car, faster speed is okay. It's a problem ni, it's a problem he had him ziu ngai. Information ni tamata mahin. Information ni velation. There are two problems. Ama sa penacho they move in opposite direction. Abanacho they move in the same direction. It's na. Kad they solve and solve good eye legend. Nike solve the zero. So problem na simple lehin. How many parts these ang head ngai. Ama sa penacho they move in the same direction. Same direction na dengan ga bolote. Distance equal to relative speed into time. Okay. In this case, speed of the car ki heta lo cho na. Speed of the car ki heta lo is ya cho khat pa cho x km/h hetiu tin khat pa cho y km/h hetiu te. Ahile speed ten is minus bol di hilawang same direction hi phale. Same direction na cho formula cho distance equal to relative speed into time. Formula to distance equal to relative speed into time hi te. Same direction hi phale minus ki bol di chana x minus y into time. Question time to 12 hours. Cancel bola, it will be 12. So this is the first equation. First part of the problem. Second part of the problem, they move in opposite direction theta. So if they move towards each other, they meet after 9 by 8 hours. So they move in opposite direction. Distance 144 mamahi. Relative speed opposite a plus balls into time. Time get 9 divided by 8. Cancel ka bola, I will get 154 6. Langkara ka sola 48 4 in hand. 128 equal to x plus y. Equation ni na ito chala. Khat to x minus y, khat to x plus y. X minus y kiti hi ilai ko na ihet di uchu ichi lin zo tin hai cha alin zo pa hi ji che. So then hi plus ball le when y to y ki cancel di hizing lao. So langkhat che pi ka mo de 128 plus 12, so is there ni 128 or 12 so plus bowling. I will get 114. So equation 1 plus equation 2 equal to lang 10 hi plus ka bolle y dot y cancel into 2x. So cancel ka bolle x equal to 70. So this will be the answer. A car moving in the morning fog at the end. So morning fog the problems it's the same insignificant. Passes a man walking at 4 km/h in the same direction. The man can see the car for 3 minutes and visibility is up to a distance of 130 meter. The speed of the car is okay. Problem na gel paliti hin gel tay pasal khatum cho. He is walking towards this way. Ala car chu ilanga ko na hong di cho na. Question na say chu piham tile. It's a pahin car chu he sees it for 3 minutes. Minute huma mu visibility is 130 meter teacher. Minute huma mu chu aga akinung hai le amu ban avet iti hin gel hi na. So mahi iti ai amalang avet da chi tim chu. So this is the car. Mate ni kimuto chet on ti ai gel du ta chu. Aile car cho speed hat jo ichi hele 4 km/h thai cha walking katina. So che pai a speed hat jo cha aile question say chu piham tile ichi pasal pahin car he can see for 3 minutes. 3 minutes za wa chu fog ji a chu amu thai ta lauta cha na 3 minutes chan amu aile question nong ji a chu visibility chu 130 meter ati chu 130 meter chan do ki mu thai ale chu che pahin car chu minute thuma mu ahile question nung zo ya chu visibility chu only up to a distance of 130 meter ahile ilaya hi explain chu ka theme be se pon ipti sai di ha distance 130 meter hi jing lawang na laya hi okay laya pasal pa chu laya car chu ahile 130 meter zawa chu amu talauta chala aile 130 meter chan chu amu aile minute thum sung amu aile time chu 3 minutes na distance 130 minutes so aile two bodies in motion hinten distance equal to relative speed into time. Distance kiti chu lai 130 meter, time kiti chu 3 minutes, relative speed kiti chu same direction hai ja chu speed te ni minus se bol na. Formula is a very simple problem to explain ka bola like explain theme base hai. Jang le ana solve it. 4 km/h ti chana abana ch minutes ya meter hiya question na do chu pia km/h do chu chi chun abon che ke a hin km/h convert ute to a distance equal to 130 meter chi jong chu divided by 1000 km hi tai relative speed into time kara speed che ta lo ji in x he tiu same direction hi ja chu minus bol ngai minus 4 km/h into time ki ti chu 3 minutes chi jong chu r convert like 3 divided by 60 so cancel bowling this cancel bowling I get 2 cancel ka ball I get 5 so 13 equal to 5x minus 20 tangkara cancel le 33 equal to 5x cancel option ke bet ai point amin cancel ka ball I get 6.6 is in long so this will be the answer. Okay, to our problem ajo formula to distance equal to speed into time. Speed distance ke to initial point of distance between the two objects. It is we ajo confuse na. For example, to explain dan cho hi laya hi car khat laya hi mi khat mai cho ela mate ni cho they move in the same direction. It's a problem here application iti diu ham ahile to ahi piti tam tile amate ni hi initial point of separation cho initial distance to 0 ti na gel mai theu cho na so problems ne khat hong complicated zetan explain de dan hi so iti hin gel lewan ama sa pen a hin I gel diu dan cho hi formula apply I bol theina ding wa cho iti hin gel mai ute car khat cho iti a hong pasal khat cho iti gel ute visibility ti ja amit in langa vet e banga maya it langa chi in gelute bula hi 130 meter a hi chu car amu chet tin gelute car amu chet hung abana chu car amu chet dei cha amu chet in mai anung langa hi chi e banga car langa vet na so initial distance 130 meter ele mate ni a speed ama x km/h ele mai 4 km/h so amate ni relative speed to minus ki ball ele question dong zo ya cho he can see the car only for 3 minutes so car ahung chu avet vet minute thumbo amu meaning to minute to my overtake a ball cho na so akimu tu hon na time to 3 minutes na abula cho amate ni initial point of separation cho 130 meter abana hi kari thailai intil agadal phai cho and just a minute thum songai ga dal pha le minute thum songai ki mutu hon ti nai jing la na iti hin gelu te ai lawai le inzo a distance equal to 0 he ti ana confuse sai na so solutions are very easy but problem to igel khila le boina thai he na gel be se pauten problem 3 despite stoppage two cyclists X and Y starts at the same time from place A and go towards place B at a speed of this and this respectively. Despite stopping for 15 minutes during the journey, Y reached 10 minutes earlier than X. The distance between the place A and B is. Okay. It's a problem here team here. Time here team na. It in ga saying there are two places A and B. A and B amatin ki got distance so ta la so we don't know the distance. Let two cyclists X and Y teacher. Let Y question nung zo ya cho despite stopping for 15 minutes during the journey, Y reached 10 minutes earlier than X a teacher. Ahile to I formula apply I ball theme ding wa hi explain in ball kit amate ni hi for example 8 am agi pando hone 8 am agi pando hone aile ite pa hi a ya ko na b hi pungza lai gal hun sa diwa for example 9 am gal hun saute 9 am gal na le chun total he take 60 minutes lawang na 8 am pat 9 am aile y ki ti pa hi zong hi a ya pat chi a b chan gal hung cho B chan gal hong nin tin ahile amma hi question nung zo ya cho he reached 10 minutes early teacher la meaning cho 8:50 a gal hong cho pa he so ama hi 50 minutes time hi le kilom chona but question is say ve chu piam tile he stops for 15 minutes ati chala lampi I 15 minutes hong ki kham be cho 15 minutes hong ki kham be in tin le ama hi formula apply bol you pa chen distance equal to speed into time it is evilong na so ilaya time hi pi ha time ki ti pa hi duration of motion pung za chu he is in motion chu laya hi ake chol pha hi include a ball z lo cho na distance equal to speed into time. For example, distance to Imphala pat to Jampur to 60 km cho pasal kha to speed to 30 km per hour alaya le time to is at hedi cancel le bola le 2 hours it is hona le lai time ki ti pa hi he deu chu ichi car pa cho 30 km ki chol lo bi a thei ti nai cho so in this case my 15 minutes a ki chola le chun for how many minutes he is in motion minus ke ball ke 35 minutes jing lawang na so icha ko na conclusion is if deu chu pham tile helai chu 60 minutes a hi ja chu it's very easy to understand na for example time ke ta law chu ja chu x adinga time chu x adinga hin time ki ti pai he ta law zi when t r se tiu te ale y ki ti pa dinga chu time is at he de t minutes se tiu te t number of minutes ai bangal y ki ti pa dinga a time chu is at he de it will be t na time taken by x minus minutes from ma galung ma minus minutes from nga ki chol so total la he is in motion only for t minus 25 minutes na so it's logic to hit him while problem he start so it's a problem is solved ding wa chu it's a logic pa chu hit him ngai so question number 8 A and B ale it's he relative motion two bodies in relative motion problem hi ta point na two bodies in relative motion achun solve lo de he problem hai okay same distance lawang na ida bang same distance lawang na x ki ti pa jang chu a apat b chan chi y ki ti pa jang chu a apat b chan hi lawang so it is same distance hi pa le formula chu distance equal to speed into time a adinga speed chu zat ya question chan 6 ati chu ele a adinga time chu la e ta lo phat wa t he ta te t by 60 na t r se tu te ahile so this is speed into time ele b adinga chu la distance equal to speed into time a speed to 8 km per hour into time is at adam so a adinga time to t by 60 ahile b adinga time to it will be minus 15 minus 10 na minus 25 minutes minutes ang chu hour a convert bol nya so same distance ta chite nya kun calculation ball 11 I will get 6 into t by 60 equal to 8 into okay lang khara jang kon 60 common la do leng I get t minus 25 so cancel bowling I get this cancel ka ball 3 cancel ka ball 4 so 3t equal to 4t minus this is 100 ahile langkat akan sola hile t equal to 100 t equal to 100 ita ahile minutes okay so now distance all dot out distance all ding wa hile chun distance equal to 6 into 100 divided by 60 na cancel ka bole this cancel ka bole this equal to 10 so it is 10 kilometer so minute okay a convenient point okay solution cho di thawin he jong le ne khata bera de na calculation chi ti hin balute a and b ele to a hi distance ki bang a hi je a che a adinga speed so 6 km per hour into time jong chu t he ta the t hours a che it is in hours ele b adinga speed to 8 km per hour into times that he de t hours minus 25 minutes 25 divided by 60 so to in calculation hung nom jep the so 3t equal to 4 into cancel ka bol na cancel ka bol 4 into t minus 25 divided by 60 zong chu cancel the okay pp le bracket hongotin t equal to 4t minus 4 into 25 divided by 60 cancel ka bole 5 cancel ka bole 12 cancel ka bole 3 so langkara ka solid t langkara ka solid 5 by 3 to hin distance equal to 6 into t khela chen itin bowling I will get 10 kilometer calculation t in convenience joina in zo achu ele t minutes a convert ka bol je achu calculation chane khat bera to I t r sa ka bola ile answer chu ke bang jang le calculation anom do me a train travels 40% faster than a car. Both starts from point A at the same time and reach point B 140 km away at the same time. On the way, the train takes 25 minutes for stopping at the station. What is the speed of the train? Okay, it's a problem zone so to ata ki bangin exam le chu itai bol na distance equal to speed into time. Train adding speed to 40% is to 14 by 10 into x thing into time. Laya meaning to x kiti to speed of the car. In so I'll explain kan bolis. Time kiti to the train takes 25 minutes for stopping. T minus 25 divided by 60. Ele car adding si train adi hintin. Train adding speed, train adding time. Car adding to a speed to x kati ta into time to car adding time ang t kati cha. Cancel ka bole I get this. Ahile question nung zia cha distance 140 pp hile chiti ani ga kunin calculation solve masautin so 7 by 5 into t minus cancel ka bole 5 by 12 equal to t so 5 ong lang khara soleng I will get 5t chip 7t minus 35 divided by 12 equal to 5t lang khara ka sole 2t equal to 35 divided by 12 and t equal to 35 divided by 24. Question hold in teacher. Speed of the train to 14 by 10x. X hold on like it. X hold on ending at 10 is ang leng 140 equal to x kela to hold on tailo t to 35 by 24. 5 cancel bowling I get 7 5 cancel bowling 28 cancel ka bolale 4 so x equal to 6. Okay, 4 into 24 itin live question hold in teacher speed of train to 14 by 10 x kati to 4 into 24 okay multiply ngai tai bonds kaya so 14 into 4 so it will be 56 into 24 it will be 4 2 in hand this will be 22 to 4 point no mena point okay near here see the answer so it will be 2 1 in hand 1 1 so it will be 1 3 4 4 na point no lang achim ja so this is the answer its equation repeating po dam kha explain bol ni na okay distance equal to speed into time it is used so helaya hi train helaya hi car so ale to hi amate ni hi they start from the same place and they go to the same place question nung zo ya chu point A apat point B chan chu it is 140 kilometer ati hilawa so in this case it is 140 kilometer in this case 140 kilometer mama hi cha ale question say chu a train travels 40% faster than a car meaning speed of the train is 40% more than the car hilawa meaning to speed of train his sentence meaning to 40% faster ti alechen a speed to 40% bigger ti na lawang na so ibiti bol jiwa 40% faster ti ahile ti zong to calculation point of view wa to 40% more than ti na jing lawang so speed of train kiti to 40% more than speed of car ti na jing chala speed of car che ta law ji wa to x kati ahile chen 40% more than speed of car on to 100 the possible zip level 140% about more than to of a convertible zip na of speed of car to x it I ball zip level na percentage after so speed of car to x kati ile amai 40% more his so it will be 14 divided by 10 into x time a ki het lo zia chu t ala mai question nung zo ya chu 25 minutes chi r se tiu de 25 minutes lampia ke kham chu a meaning chu he is in motion for t minus 25 by 16 hours. So a formula to distance equal to speed into time hilaw. So distance 140 equal to speed to 14 by 10 into x. Train adding a speed into train adding a time to t minus 25 by 60. Ay let's adding a distance 140 mama hilaw equal to a speed to x, a speed a time to t equal to xt. Anya 140 is the ti direct I take as easy na. Car adding a distance equal to speed into time. Sorry, train adding a distance equal to speed into time. Car adding a distance equal to speed into time. Same distance is also direct I take as easy equation chom chom ga zi lawa na. Problem 4. Reaching the destination, turns back. Reaching the destination and turns back. Question number 11 na buwan masaute. B starts 4 minutes after A from the same point, meaning both of them they start from the same point. For a place at a distance of 7 miles from the starting point. So this is the end. Question this is 7 miles. On reaching the destination, turns back and walks a mile where he beats B. Okay. B starts 4 minutes after A. It's not male. So ito ay A kiti pa hi. Chako na ki pando. Abanay question nung ja hung kidung le teacher. So this is for A. A kiti pa hi. Turns back and walks a mile where he beats B. Hung kile. Ahile. A kiti pa he travels for 7 mile. Abana hung kile kit intin question nung ja 1 mile na. 1 mile hung chi bele B to akimutu teacher. So this is A. B kiti pa chu laya ka gisatuhon cho. Ale B kiti pa chu he walks for 6 mile tin hizing lawang na. B kiti pa chu laya pa dahilai chen 6 mile. A kiti pa chu itiaga chi hung kedung le 1 mile. So to ahi A speed is a mile in 8 minutes. Okay. A adding hinga bolute. A adding a distance is at na total to 7 miles ti hilaw. Abana hung kinung le kit 1 mile. So 8 miles cho. Ahile A adding a speed hila. Speed long to a mile in minute. 1 mile in 8 minutes at each. Ahile speed I hold out the legend. Distance 1 mile divided by time 8 minutes na. So A adding a speed he 1 by 8 mile per minute. Tinazing law. So it is 1 by 8 out mile ahin. So zit that out in time. Time is at aladem. That is the question. Formula dung zo ya chu time taken by A ko hold out no mile distance by A. Speed to 1 by 8. Chichu achung nga ka sol 64 minutes ta jamai. Ale tu in B adding calculate bolute. B adding a distance is at B he travels only for 6 mile. Ale B adding a time is at hide. A kiti pachun he takes question nung zo ya chu 64 minutes ti hilaw. Ale B kiti pachu he starts 4 minutes after A tichla. Meaning chu kat pa 64 hile B adding a he travel for 60 minutes tinizing chana. So I'm adding a speed he's at the distance divided by time equal to 6 mile hilaw. So it will be 1 by 10 mile per minute using channel. Question and also then B speed is a mile in 1 mile he is at minutes idem teacher. It's a formula akun lang solve ball the jang unitary method akun involving taute 1 by 10 mile per minute meaning to he travels 1 by 10 mile in 1 minute tinai meaning to question in hold in teacher 1 mile kiti zat minute ahi dem ti cha unitary method is a hele tian nang khara ka sola hele 10 min is jing lawang na. So this is the answer. So these two, they are exactly the same problem na hon in solve down na. So problem explain ka bol dan just how to hin calculate bolage and it's very short na. It's a problem jang chu two bodies in relative motion formula to apply bol lo diu separate A and B time and distance a regular problem dan I solve diu hai. Two persons moving in opposite direction and after crossing each other takes x and y hours to reach their destination. Okay, there are two cars. They move towards each other. This is Churchandpur, this is Imphal. Khatpa to Churchandpur to Imphal, Khatpa to Imphal to Churchandpur. They started at exactly the same time, 8 a.m. 8 a.m. So two bodies in motion tacha. They will meet at, let's say, Moirang. Moirang aki mutuhan. Question information provide in knowledge. It's about say provide in knowledge. Moirang aki sutuhan. After they meet, the car from Churchandpur reach Imphal in 2 hours and touch. Abana the car from Imphal reached Churchandpur in, let's say, 1 hour and titay. Katsu 2 hours agalung, katsu 1 hour agalung. Ita bang problem mahi speed of the car from Churchandpur ratio speed of the car from Imphal to it will be root over time taken by Imphal wala to 1 ratio time taken by the car from Churchandpur which it is 2 na. So problem hi itihin aume reciprocal reverse chi it's speed of the car ahile ilaya aum masapa chapiha time of Imphal wala speed of Imphal wala ahile time of Churchandpur wala na itihin reverse chi reverse pa hi confuse ke cheez integration kimel chi. A and B started their journey from x to y and y to x respectively. After crossing each other, A and B completed the remaining part of their journey in 49 by 8 and 8 hours respectively. If the speed of B is this, then the speed of A is speed of A ratio speed of B equal to root over time of B na. B at 8 hours 8 Banacho A at 49 divided by 8 icha. La question nung juya to speed of A ratio speed of B to 28 at the equal to root over 8 chizong to root over 49 divided by root over 8 ilaw. Langkara solving I will get 8 root over 49 to 7 is in chana ratio 28 chizong to solve the method za maintain apam te ni multiply equal to asung te ni multiply jang ti thai jing cancel ka bol le 4 so equal to 32. So this will be the answer. Formula in a by heart la y legend. This is a very complicated problem. A and B start moving towards each other from place x and y respectively at the same time. The speed of A is 20% more than that of B. B to x si bangle. B to x si bangle thum dan cha. A has 20% more is to 120% of B which is x na. After meeting on the way, A and B takes 2.5 hours to A in and x hours respectively. Okay, so x kita theta point. Let's say speed to S. So this will be 12 by this. Now to reach y and x respectively. What is the value of x? Speed of A ratio speed of B to time taken by B to x iti vilaw ha ratio time taken by A zat hede 2.5 hours. Sorry, 5 by 2. Question lung zui ya chu. Okay, speed of A is 20% more. Speed of B to S it while speed of A to 12 by 10, 6 by 5 S it to ana equal to root over X ratio root over 5 by 2. S to S ang cancel bole so chizong to 6 by 5 het is utin langkarang ko kaya pamte ni multiply bole 6 by 5 into root over 5 by 2 equal to jate ni multiply ka bole root over X. So root over hi part le root over remove na ding ato square bole ki chai langkat jong square ka bowling langkat jong square ka bowling square ka bola ile I get 36 divided by 25 na square into it is square to 5 it is square to 2 langkat ako X square so cancel ka bole 5 cancel ka bola ile this is 18 so okay root over X to X both sides so 18 divided by 5 to it is 3 15 3 by 5 equal to X. Question hold in T to X which is 3 by 5. A and B are traveling towards each other from points P and Q respectively. After crossing each other, A and B takes this and this respectively to reach their destination this. If the speed of B is this, then speed of A. Speed of A ratio speed of B equal to root over 8 ratio root over 49 by 8. So A ratio equal to in charge 8 is to 70 so 7 into A apam ni multiply equal to asong ni multiply ki cancel thay 12 ki cancel thay 18 this will be 2 14 24 so cancel that out in as a point na 32 3 in hand so 16 19.2 so the answer will be this. Okay, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new.